following function will result in investment multiplier value of 5. तो हमें देखना है कि इनमें से कौन कौन से फंक्शंस हैं जिससे इन्वेस्टमेंट मल्टीप्लायर की जो वैल्यू है वो 5 आती है. So what we can go ahead and do, beta, let's just try to see this thing, huh? So I have y is equal to c plus I plus g plus nx. Huh, beta? Now if you just go ahead and you just look, just try to open this up. Can I say y is equal to c bar plus c y plus I plus g plus nx? But I can take all y terms together. So I can say 1 minus cy is equal to c bar. इस चीज को I'm just taking it here, huh? Is equal to c bar plus I plus g plus nx. हाँ बेटा, I can go ahead and differentiate this on both sides. So I am doing a total differentiation. So 1 minus c dy is equal to dc bar plus di plus dg plus dnx. Now I have to find investment multiplier. So all other changes will be 0. So I will put 0 everywhere. And I will get 1 minus c dy is equal to di. Haan beta. So dy by di will give me 1 upon 1 minus c. That means 1 upon 1 minus marginal propensity to consume. Acha, now tell me something, beta. Income can either be consumed or saved. So beta, change in income can either be change in consumption or change in savings. Beta, I can divide both sides by dy. So 1 is equal to MPC. ये क्या बोल रहा है? How consumption changes as income changes. So MPC. Beta, how savings change as income change? So MPS. So I can say MPC plus MPS is 1. So beta, 1 minus MPC will be MPS. So I can also write this as 1 by MPS. Huh, beta? Acha, now just come back, huh? Beta, when I am writing my consumption function as C bar plus CY, so ये C ही तो MPC था. And when I am writing my savings function as minus S bar plus small sy, ये ही तो MPS था. So what I can now go ahead and I can do, beta, is that I can say that this part is my MPC. This part is my MPC. This part is my MPS. And beta, this part is also my MPS. Beta, what is multiplier? 1 upon 1 minus MPC or 1 upon MPS. So if I have to find the multiplier from here, so beta यहाँ से multiplier क्या हो जाएगा? 1 upon 1 minus 0.2, 1 upon 0.8, 10 by 8. Beta, this is 5 divided by 4. Beta, what will be multiplier from here? 1 upon 1 minus 0.8, 1 upon 0.2, 10 divided by 2, that means 5. What will be multiplier from here? 1 upon 0.8, क्योंकि MPS है directly. So 10 by 8. That means 5 by 4. But what will be MPS from here? 1 upon 1 minus 0.2, 10 by 0, sorry, 1 upon 0.2, because ये MPS है. So 10 by 5. So 10 by 2, so 5. So beta, where am I getting the multiplier as 5? In answer number B and D. In answer number B and D. That is where my multiplier is 5. यही तो multiplier 5 आ रहा है ना. So I am getting my multiplier as 5 here and here. So this will be the value of my multiplier in the above cases. So the question is, where is the multiplier 5? So we have found out that it is 5 here and here. Okay, beta. Thank you.